Luke. Just kidding. It's Farmer Brian back at Bidwell Canyon Farm. Thank you for tuning in to the Wednesday vlog. Today we will be moving the goats, the chickens, this little hay wagon, and the electric fence to a new spot for the animals so they can enjoy some fresh pasture. And that is why we have our animals all on wheels. I've never really introduced our chicken coop. This is our chicken coop. I painted some little chicken eyes on there. It's an old 4-horse trailer, and I turned the inside into a regular coop. Let me show you. So there used to be some partitions here for the horses, and I just built them a roost and some nest boxes, their food. I just kind of hollowed the middle out so there's no more partitions, but I still have them in case we do need to move some horses or cows at one point. We can put the partitions back in. First thing is first, you want to unplug your electric fence so you don't get bit. This is our fence controller. It is a Cube made in Germany. It's a great low impedance fence controller, and it works really well with goats. They do not mess with the fence once it is plugged in. So the best way I've found to move this fence, and this is the poultry netting from Premier Fencing, is to first go through and just pull out and lay down all of the stays. You'll just come through and pick up each fiberglass rod, and you'll loop the fence back upon itself. So that's one 100-foot run, and if you can keep it like this when you move them, you won't get tangled up. So as you walk backward, you can just trip into a rabbit brush. Just let those go and drop out of the stack. Okay, we've got our fence up all the way around the gotel, the hay wagon, the chicken coop, and I let the goats out into their new zone, and they seem to really be enjoying themselves. Are you enjoying yourself? I think so. Hey, hey, can I get a word in with you? Are you enjoying yourselves? Dang it. Hey, excuse me. So Izzy here was just telling me we have some very special farm friends watching the vlog today. So I want to give you a special shout out. Thank you, Isla. I see you watching. Thanks so much for joining us. Benicio, Rocco, I see you boys. Thank you for being part of this farm fam. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Kids, we're going to town. Let me get you in your car seat here. You want to sit in this one? We'll just strap you in. Here, let me put your belt on. Okay, you ready? You all buckled in? Feel good? Feel safe? Okay. Ooh, rough.